Welcome to our Azerbaijan project, a high-speed glazed tile roll forming machine designed for stable performance and efficient production. The machine is equipped with a strong gearbox transmission system and arch gearbox structure, ensuring smoother operation, higher durability, and long-term stability even during continuous production. This machine runs at a speed of 8 meters per minute, helping customers increase output while maintaining excellent tile quality and precise shaping. For easier operation and labor saving, the line also includes a fully automatic 3-meter receiving table, allowing finished roofing sheets to be collected neatly and efficiently. From feeding to forming, pressing, cutting, and auto-stacking, the entire production process is highly automated and easy to operate. This glazed tile machine is an ideal solution for roofing sheet manufacturers looking for reliable performance, beautiful finished products, and higher production efficiency. Zhongtuo roll forming machinery, providing professional roll forming solutions for customers worldwide.